Aloha. My name is Andy, and in this video, I'll be comparing the ADATA UV150 32GB USB 3.1 stick with the newer ADATA UV150 32GB USB 3.2 model.
Just a quick disclaimer, this video is not sponsored, and the results may vary depending on the hardware and operating system being used.
For this comparison, I'm testing on an HP ProBook 470G5 laptop, which has an Intel i5 8250U CPU, 8GB of RAM, and a 128GB Samsung SSD. A friend of mine needed an affordable USB stick, and since I've had a great experience with the ADATA UV150 series, I recommended this model to him. Currently, I use a 16GB USB 3.0 and a 32GB USB 3.1 stick myself. Now, the USB 3.2 model has piqued my interest, especially regarding its write speeds. I've used several budget USB 3.0, 3.1, and 3.2 models before, but the write speeds often fell below 15 megabytes per second, so I'm curious to see how this one performs. The packaging has received a bit of an update, it's more colorful than the previous version. On the back, we can see the product code is still the same, of 150, 32G, R, B, K. The EN barcode is still the same, 4, 7, 1, 2, 4, 3, 5, 7, 9, 7, 0, 7, 5. The size remains unchanged at 58 by 18 by 10 mm, and the weight is still 9 grams. It's still made in Taiwan, and the manufacturing address is the same as before. There have been some updates to the operating system requirements. Windows XP is no longer supported, but Windows 11 is now listed. However, it will likely still work with Windows XP. You can also download a free backup software, and the stick comes with a 5-year limited warranty. Let's dive into the comparison. Since it's not mine, I'll make sure to carefully remove it from the packaging. The packaging consists of cardboard and plastic, and I was able to avoid damaging it. Since it's new, the lid is quite tight, requiring a bit more force to open, but at least that means it won't be easily lost. Now, I'm going to compare with my sticks. They look identical, except mine have the 3.0 and 3.1 labels, while the 3.2 one has no marking. They have even serial numbers. I will run 5 speed tests and compare the results with the 3.1 version. All tests will be done on the HP ProBook 470G5 laptop, and to ensure accuracy I will use the same USB port for each test. I will place the USB 3.1 stick on the left and the USB 3.2 stick on the right. First, I'll compare their capacities and then format both in NTFS, since I plan to copy a Windows 11 ISO image onto them. It looks like the USB 3.2 flash drive is about 600 megabytes larger. Now, I'll go ahead and format it in NTFS to prepare it for the next step. Let's begin the tests. First test, I will copy the 5562 MB Windows 11 ISO image file from the SSD to the flash drive. Second test, I'll copy all the files from the ISO image to the flash drive. Third test, I'll copy the Windows 11 ISO image from the flash drive to the SSD. Fourth test, I'll copy all the files from the ISO image from the flash drive to the SSD. Fifth test, the final test will be conducted using the Crystal Disk Mark program to measure performance. Bonus test, I also checked if the flash drive is compatible with Windows XP. and it is recognized by the Windows XP. Now I will copy the Windows 11 ISO file to the HDD. Because this laptop has only USB 2.0 ports, the copying speed is about 18 megabytes. If this video was useful to you and do you want to reward me with a cup of coffee, you can do it by clicking on the link in the description, select one cup and click on the support button. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.